In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam error message, "Your account doesn't meet the requirements." This troublesome notification can prevent you from enjoying your favorite games, but with a few simple steps you can resolve this issue and get back to your gaming adventures. To start first, you want to exit out of Steam. This might seem straightforward, but closing the application completely is often the first troubleshooting step when you're having issues. It ensures all processes have stopped and gives us a clean start for the next steps. Once you've done this, go ahead and log back into Steam. This refreshes your connection to their servers and can oftentimes fix minor issues on its own. Now that you're back in, navigate to the top left corner of Steam and select Settings. This is the control panel where most of the troubleshooting magic happens. In Settings, look for the Download section on the left hand side and click on it. Here you'll see the option to clear download cache. By clearing this cache, you're effectively deleting temporary files that might have become corrupted and could be causing issues. Don't worry, this won't remove any of your installed games or saved data. After clearing your cache, you should close Steam once more. This step ensures that all your settings and cache changes take effect. Now let's shift our focus to your desktop. Go to the search bar and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Open it up, and from there click on the option that says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Once in this section, you'll need to scroll through the list of programs and locate Steam. It might take a moment to find it, but once you do, click on it. In the top right corner, you'll see Change Settings. Click it. This action will allow you to modify the permissions of Steam in the firewall. Next, click on Allow Another App, followed by hitting Browse. Here, you'll need to locate the Steam application in your local files folder. Once you've found it, select Steam and click on Add. This step ensures that Steam is fully allowed through the firewall, eliminating any potential blockage causing the error. And just like that, you've addressed the error. These steps might seem a bit technical, but they are indispensable for resolving connectivity and requirement issues with Steam. With a little patience and precision, you can get back to immersing yourself in your favorite games with no interruptions. I hope you found this guide useful and are now enjoying a seamless gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.